Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Podcast Zone Plus. I'm Tom, and I'm happy you are here today. English is always changing. Every year, new words are born. People start saying new phrases. Social media creates new expressions. Today, I want to teach you 8 fresh words and phrases that are trending right now in 2025. You will hear them on TikTok. You will see them on Instagram. You might even hear them in movies and shows. Learning them will help you sound more modern, more natural, more confident. So sit back, relax, get ready to shadow with me, and let's get started. Word 1. Languify. Our first new word is languify. Languify means to make something simple and easy to understand. Imagine you have a very hard book. It has many difficult words. You can languify it to make it clear. Mini story. Anna was reading a science article. It was very technical. She could not understand. She asked her teacher to languify it. Now she understood everything. Dialogue examples. A. This report is too hard. B. Let me languify it for you. A. I don't get this email. B. No problem, we can languify it together. A. These notes are too long. B. We can languify them into short points. Daily life scenario. I languify messages for my friends. Teachers languify big ideas for students. Parents languify rules for children. Shadow practice. I languify texts. I languify news articles. I ask AI to languify my notes. I like to languify meetings. Languify makes learning easy. Languify helps me think clearly. Word 2. Chattext. Our second word is Chattext. Chattext is a message written by AI mini story. David was writing an email to his boss. He used AI to help him. The AI gave him a good draft. He said, "Great. I'll use this Chattext." Dialogue examples. A. Who wrote this? B. It's a Chattext from my AI. A. This sounds so professional. B. Yes, Chatexts make me sound smart. A. I don't have time to write. B. No problem, I'll send you a Chattext. Daily life scenario. I use Chatexts when I'm tired. Chatexts help me write fast. Chatexts save my time. I copy Chatexts to my notebook. I edit Chatexts before sending. Shadow practice. I saved the chat text. This is a chat text. Chat texts are helpful. I read chat texts every day. Chat texts save my energy. I trust chat texts for work. Word 3. Zoom lag. Word 3. Zoom lag. Zoom lag means the tired feeling after too many online meetings. Mini story. Sarah had 5 video calls today. Her eyes hurt. Her head felt heavy. She said, I have Zoom lag. Dialogue examples. A. You look tired. B. Yes, Zoom lag hit me hard. A. Do you want to talk? B. Not now, I need a break from Zoom lag. A. Want to play a game? B. Later, Zoom lag is too strong. Daily life scenario. Zoom lag happens after long calls. Zoom lag makes me drink tea. Zoom lag makes me take a walk. Zoom lag means I must rest. Zoom lag means I need a break. Shadow practice. I have Zoom lag. Zoom lag is real. Zoom lag makes me sleepy. Zoom lag gives me a headache. I rest after Zoom lag. Zoom lag means no more meetings. Word 4. Flex meal. Word 4 is flex meal. A flex meal is a meal you can eat at any time. Mini story. Jack had pancakes at 3 p.m. He smiled and said, "This is a flex meal." Dialogue examples. A. Is that breakfast? B. No, it's a flex meal. A. Why are you eating eggs at night? B. Because it's a flex meal. Anytime works. A. Dinner at 10 p.m.? B. Yes, it's a flex meal kind of night. Daily life scenario. I eat flex meals on weekends. Flex meals save time. Flex meals fit my busy schedule. Any meal can be a flex meal. Flex meals make life simple. Shadow practice. This is a flex meal. Flex meals are easy. I enjoy flex meals. Flex meals are fun. Flex meals are anytime. Flex meals make me happy. Word 5. Scroll stopper. Word 5. Scroll stopper. This means something so good it makes you stop scrolling. Mini story. Nina was scrolling her phone. She saw a dog video. It was so funny she stopped. She said, "That's a scroll stopper." Dialogue examples. A. Why did you stop scrolling? B. Because that post was a scroll stopper. A. This photo looks amazing. B. Yes, it's a scroll stopper. A. This ad made me stop. B. It's a true scroll stopper. Daily life scenario. Scroll stoppers make me smile. Scroll stoppers make me share posts. Scroll stoppers get my attention. Scroll stoppers are memorable. Scroll stoppers stay in my mind. Shadow practice. This is a scroll stopper. Scroll stoppers are powerful. Scroll stoppers make me pause. Scroll stoppers are great. I save scroll stoppers. I share scroll stoppers. Word 6. Mind share. Word 6. Mind share. This means how much focus or attention something gets. Mini story. John started a new hobby. He thought about it all day. He said, "This has my mind share." Dialogue examples. A. You seem distracted. B. This project has my mind share. A. You keep talking about that show. B. Yes, it has all my mind share right now. A. What are you thinking about? B. This idea has my mind share. Daily life scenario. Mind share means focus. I give mind share to my goals. English practice has my mind share. Too many apps fight for my mind share. Mind share is limited. Shadow practice. This has my mind share. Mind share means focus. I give mind share to learning. My mind share is valuable. I protect my mind share. I grow my mind share with study. Word 7. Ghost mode. Word 7 is ghost mode. This means staying silent online but still watching. Mini story. Ella read the group chat. She didn't reply. She said later, "I was in ghost mode." Dialogue examples. A. Why didn't you say anything? B. I was ghost mode. Just watching. A. You were so quiet today. B. Yes, ghost mode feels good sometimes. A. Did you see my message? B. Yes, but I was ghost mode. Daily life scenario. Ghost mode helps me rest. Ghost mode is quiet time. Ghost mode keeps me calm. Ghost mode means no stress. Ghost mode is peaceful. Shadow practice. I was ghost mode. Ghost mode is peaceful. Ghost mode helps me relax. I go ghost mode when tired. Ghost mode is my choice. Ghost mode keeps me calm. Word 8. AI crash. Word 8 is AI crash. This means brain overload after using too many AI tools. Mini story. Paul used 5 AI apps. He felt confused. He said, "I had an AI crash." Dialogue examples. A. What happened? B. Too much AI. Total AI crash. A. Why are you quiet? B. AI crash drained my energy. A. You look tired. B. Yes, I had an AI crash today. Daily life scenario. AI crash means too much tech. I rest after AI crash. AI crash gives me brain fog. AI crash slows my thinking. AI crash means I need sleep. Shadow practice. I had an AI crash. AI crash makes me stop. AI crash is too much. I avoid AI crash. AI crash gives me brain fog. I recover from AI crash. Mega review. Story plus shadow practice. Let's review all 8 words together in a story. Yesterday I had Zoom lag. I had 4 meetings. After that, I ate a flex meal. I scrolled my phone and found a scroll stopper. It took all my mind share. I shared it with friends but stayed ghost mode in the group. Later, I wrote a chat text with AI. Then I had an AI crash and needed to rest. Today, I will languify my notes so I can work better. Shadow sentences. I had Zoom lag yesterday. I ate a flex meal in the evening. That post was a scroll stopper. My mindshare was full of new ideas. I stayed ghost mode in the chat. I used a chat text to reply. AI crash made me tired. I will languify everything tomorrow. Challenge. Use these words. Here is your daily challenge. Pick 4 words today. Use them in real life. Say them out loud. Write them in your journal. Share your sentences in the comments. Example. I had Zoom lag today. My dinner was a flex meal. This video is a scroll stopper. My English practice has my mind share. Motivation. Keep going. Remember, learning words is only step 1. Using them makes them part of you. Every time you shadow, your mouth learns the sound. Your brain learns the rhythm. Practice these every day for 1 week. Soon, you will say them automatically, and you will feel more fluent. Fluency is built step by step. Small daily steps create big results. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Closing. Stay confident. So my friends, today we learned 8 fresh words for 2025. Practice them daily. Use them with friends. Make them part of your everyday life. Thank you for listening to English Podcast Zone Plus. Until next time, keep listening, keep shadowing, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.